Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ZIOWCHAIN token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ZIOWCHAIN is a blockchain platform that integrates artificial intelligence AI to create a decentralized rewards based ecosystem for the data economy. AI blockchain fusion. It's designed to build a safer, more transparent AI ecosystem by leveraging blockchain for data reliability and user sovereignty. Data driven rewards. Its native ZIOW token rewards users for contributing knowledge and data to AI process rather than through traditional mining or staking. Board's Web3 utility. The token serves as the core payment and rewards medium across a growing ecosystem, including a DEX, NFT, galleries, gaming, and AI services. ZIOWCHAIN project institution rating is 3.4. ZIOWCHAIN token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 3.5 billion. ZIOW token. ZIOW token is listed on SNEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.